Hey, what's up, guys? Check out this memory foam travel pillow by the brand Everything. This thing is super soft, really nice memory foam. The outside case of it's almost like silky feeling. I don't know the actual material of it, but it just feels really soft and smooth. I love how it feels. It's like a cooling material up against my skin that feels really nice. And the other thing that I really love about it is the travel case that it comes with. It has a really nice, like vinyl plastic. It's a harder case. This rolls up easily. It fits right back into it, so you can put it in your luggage or travel bags or whatever, and it just fits in there really nice and neat and keeps it protected. Has a nice zipper and then a nice drawstring to help carry it around. I love that it has a zipper here, so you can easily unzip it, take out the inside memory foam there, and then wash your case, your pillowcase, when you need to clean it. This thing, I say, it really is just super nice. It has nice Velcro here, so when you wrap it around your neck, it holds on. One thing that I noticed, it's not like a normal Velcro where it's like all scratchy. So if it touches your skin, it doesn't hurt. So I love that. And then the other thing that I wanted to say is it's really good for, of course, like plane rides. I loved it actually taking it in the car for a road trip and maybe stopped at a rest area or something just for a quick nap. It's really good for stuff like that, for just driving a while, stop and rest for a minute, let your head relax and your neck relax. It just does really good. Guys, this is just a really, really nice travel pillow. I'm super impressed with it. I've had other ones that I definitely, they do the job, but not nearly as nice. So, I mean, this one's a bit more expensive, but I think totally worth the price.